fabulous fourth graders, welcome back. It's Thursday, week 6, and we're still learning about measurement. Today's I can statement is that I can solve practical problems using measurement conversions in U.S. customary units. And your materials you'll need is a pencil, paper, and a calculator. All right, so if you still have those conversion charts, this will also help you with today solving those practical problems. We're going to start with our video first.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. There's more at Embark Online. You can tweet me, and there is the Pie Guy. All right, this is 4th grade, Module 7, Lesson 4. And in this lesson, students are going to be solving comparison problems involving measurement. So let's get started. So here it says that Sandy took the train to New York City and the trip took 3 hours. Jackie took the bus, which took twice as long. How many minutes did Jackie's trip take? All right, so now let's go back and let's read. Okay, so it says Sandy took the train and the trip took 3 hours. All right, so let's draw Sandy's trip. So Sandy, her trip took 3 hours. So I'm going to draw a block and have that block represent 3 hours. Now it says Jackie took the bus, which took twice as long. So Jackie, how do you spell it? It's Jackie. Jackie, now her bar needs to be twice as long. So it's going to be one of Sandy's and another of Sandy's. So you see Jackie's is twice as long. So first off, if this was 3 hours, that means this is 3 hours. And this is also 3. So Jackie has a total of 6 hours. So Jackie's trip took 6 hours. But the big question is, how many minutes did Jackie's trip take? So we need to take that 6 hours. Each hour is 60 minutes. So 6 times 60 is 360 minutes. So Jackie's trip is right there, 360 minutes. So we've got Colton, and Colton's puppy weighed 3 pounds, 8 ounces at birth. The vet weighed the puppy again at 6 months, and the puppy weighed 7 pounds. And the big question is, how many ounces did the puppy gain? So a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to put it on a number line because I think that's going to be kind of cool. So if we think about a number line, and if I just arbitrarily put 3 pounds, 8 ounces right there. So 3 pounds, 8 ounces right there. And we want to put, let's put 7 pounds right here. So what we want to do is we want to figure out the distance from here to here. What do we have to add to 3 pounds, 8 ounces to get up to 7 pounds? All right. Well, the next pound, the even pounds, is 4 pounds. All right. So what do we have to do to get from 3 pounds, 8 ounces to 4 pounds? Well, we have to add 8 ounces because there's 16 ounces in a pound. So if we have 3 pounds, 8 ounces, adding 8 more ounces, that gives us to 4 pounds. Now what do we need to do to go from 4 pounds to 7 pounds? Well, that's pretty straightforward. That's just 3 more pounds. So what do we have to add? How much did Colton's puppy weigh from the beginning to the end? I mean, how much did it grow from the beginning to the end? Well, we can see it grew 3 pounds, 8 ounces. So it grew 3 pounds, 8 ounces. But the question is saying, how many ounces did the puppy gain? See right there, that's the key thing. How many ounces did the puppy gain? So we have to convert 3 pounds into ounces. Well, times by 16, because each pound is 16 ounces. So that gives us 48 ounces plus the other 8 ounces. So that's 56 ounces altogether. So Colton's puppy gained 56 ounces. So here we've got Jessie, and she bought a 2-liter bottle of juice. Her sister drank, so that's a 2-liter bottle. Her sister drank 650 milliliters. How many milliliters are left in the bottle? So here's our bottle, and that's 2 liters. 2 liters. Well, we need to remember that 2 liters is equal to 2,000 milliliters, because each liter, 1 liter, is 1,000 milliliters. In fact, that's the whole point of the phrase milliliters. Milli means thousandths. So 2 liters is 2,000 milliliters, but the sister drank 650 of those 2,000 milliliters. So we've got 2,000, subtract 650, gives us 1,300 milliliters left over. So that's how much is still left in the bottle. And the last one, a box weighs 8 ounces, right here. A shipment of boxes weighs 7 pounds. How many boxes are in the shipment? So the idea is saying, okay, if a box weighs 8 ounces and a shipment of these boxes weighs 7 pounds, how many boxes are in the shipment? Well, we need to remember that in 1 pound, that's 16 ounces. So if we have a box that weighs 7 pounds, so from 0 to 7, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pounds. Now, it takes 2 boxes to equal a pound, all right? Because it says 8 ounces. A box weighs 8 ounces, and a pound is 16 ounces. So that means there's 8 ounces, there's 8 ounces too. So that's 16. Another 8, another 8, another 8, another 8, another 8, another 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So each one of these humps is 8 ounces. So 2 boxes equals a pound, another 2 boxes equals a pound. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So another way to do it is 7 times 2 is 14. So there are 14 boxes in the shipment. And that wraps up 4th grade Module 7.
All right, guys, that is the end of the video. So now it's your turn to try a few of these practical problems. We're going to try 2. We're going to use the RDW method, where we're going to read the problem, then we're going to draw to help us solve it, and then write our answer in a sentence. Remember that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So Beth is allowed 4 pounds of jelly beans. Her sister is allowed half as much. How many ounces of jelly beans can the sister have? Then our second question, Brian has a melon that weighs 3 pounds. He cut it into 6 equal pieces. How many ounces does each piece weigh? All right, so once you have answered them, go ahead and move on to the next part. So pause your video when you're ready, push play for your answers. All right, how did you do? So here's the first problem. We have a picture, 4 pounds, half of 4 pounds is 2 pounds. But they don't want to know how many pounds, they want to know how many ounces of jelly beans. So we have to take our conversion chart here. If you had one from earlier in the week, It might come in handy today. So 1 pound is 16 ounces, so 2 pounds is 32 ounces. So Beth's sister has 32 ounces of jelly beans. All right, our next problem, and for this one, instead of a picture I drew, I guess it's the melon, here it is, it's green, and it's more of a rectangle than a actual melon looking picture. The melon weighs 3 pounds, so here's 1, 2, 3 pounds, and it was cut into 6 slices, so each slice is a half a pound. And how many ounces? So I know that half of 16 is 8, so each slice weighs 8 ounces. All right, so hopefully we were able to use those conversion charts or using the conversions that we have learned so far this week and be able to answer some practical problems using equivalent measurements. All right, well, thank you, and hopefully you'll come back tomorrow. We have a fun math game in store.